Heartbreaks goes back to 2014, and I think that she knows it. And if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it, 'cause I know that you'd want her to.
Hi everyone, it's Jack here at Mainsgill. So thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching the videos. Make sure that subscribe button, tell everyone about it, ring the little bell, you know the full works. So today is the day has come. We are on with the maize. So here it is. So this is our maize. So this is at Howden Hill here where I live. We're putting the new cattle sheds up, so you'll see it's going back to the new clamp there. See, it's not too bad, it's quite tall, it's looking well. The cobs, so I'll show you the cobs. Cobs there are hard now. You can just make a fingerprint, so you can just see there, that's when you know they're ready. You can just make a thumbprint in them, fingernail. So we're just making a start here now. They should be coming up here any minute. So Leslie Brown's lot are here today. So we got Brownies here. So Leslie Brown contracting. So Mark Patterson, he's coming down here now. He's sat on the chopper, on the forager, and they'll come down here in a second. So this here is maize, so corn on the cob, a bit different. This stuff's for animal feeds, this is for the cattle. So we will use this through the winter. So this will get fed to the cattle through the winter. So we have the feeder wagon, we'll mix it in with the silage, with the barley, wheat, beans, everything that we've grown. We'll mix it in and we'll make a nice balanced diet for the cattle. So what we're doing is, he's coming along here now. Keep to one side. So you can just see he's in a bit of a gap there. That's just where they broke round before to get a trailer round. But here you go. So he's coming along here now. And what this does is, this has a maize header on the front. It pulls the crop in, cuts it off. You can hear it's making it work, so it can't be a bad crop. And it cuts the crop off, and then it goes through and chops it to bits. It blows it out the spout there and into the trailer. When it goes through that header, it goes through something called a corn cracker. What that does is that squishes the corn on the cob, squishes all them grains, because if it doesn't go through the corn cracker, the cattle will not be able to digest it. So the same for wheat, barley, beans, everything that we grow. If we don't put it through a corn cracker, it will not be able to digest it. So that's how the gut works on the animal. So he's doing a good job. I've never asked how big the header is, to be honest, but you can see it's taking a fair width in one go. So he's doing a good job, so he'll fairly track on here. There's another trailer coming here now. And then, I don't know if you can see, but just behind that you can see a red trailer. That's our Matthew. So he's just going down to the yard. So there's 3 of them carting, because they're only going down to the farmyard there, so they're not going far at all. Here he comes. So I've just got a video of this lad going past a minute ago. But it's going well. They'll soon get it chopped. So there's 22 acre here in this field. There's 27 acre in the far field. So there's 27 acre at the far side. And they've just done a 4 acre square here. So they've just done that now. So they're fairly cracking on with it. They'll soon get it done. And also, something a bit different. So it'll be in this video as well. We've actually dropped about 15-16 acre of grass over there. So I just mowed that off last night quick, and that is going to go on top of the maize. So we're going to put it over the maize on the silage clamp. It'll seal the maize a bit better. You'll not get any wastage of the maize because it'll be under the grass if you do get any wastage. And also, it'll stop crows from pecking through the sheet as bad, because they'll not be able to get to the corn that they're looking for, obviously. So there'll be none under there, so they won't peck through as bad. So it's going well though. And should be good. So you can see it's fairly dying off now. So you just want it to die off a bit, this crop, to make sure you get your dry matter. You can see there, it's dying off, ripening up, and them cobs look good. So there's lots of them, plenty of them, and as far as I can see, there's not really any on the floor, which is ideal. You look through there, can't see any on the floor. In that other field, that 4 acre I just said we've been in, there must have been a deer in there. It's walked through and made a couple of tracks through the field, but apart from that, that one looks good as well. But there we go, ideal, and we'll get the drone up. Good.
Knowing your body feels so tired to get out of bed, you put your heart on a letter. I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help myself, I wanna hit you. Still feel the way I feel when somebody calls you out. Are you sleeping with someone new? Someone new, when I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new.
She goes her own way, like I don't give a damn, girl. And my God, she owns it. So many heartbreaks, goes back to 2014, and I think that she knows it. And if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it, 'cause I know that you'd want her to. Yeah, I do. Everyone's taking their shot, but missing out on the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, 'cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to. Oh yeah, ripped skinny jeans and tattoos on both her ankles. 21 pilot t-shirt, that's the stuff. Goddamn, she's so fly. Knows how to write a good song, at least better than this. 'Cause if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it. 'Cause I know that you'd want her to. Yeah, I do. Come on and give it a shot, but you'll be missing the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, 'cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too.
Here we go, so Matthew's carting now, aren't we? Give us a smile, Matthew. Alright, here he is, little Matthew at Mainsgill. So he's going up here now, and as you can see, we're on chopping. So it's going in trailer here, so they're cracking on well. So they have done that little 4 acre, they have done the 22 acre, and they are now in the 27 acre. And they've got a fairway across this as well. So I'll flick you around over here. So you can see, they've broke the back of it now. Man, Matthew, your tractor's mucky. So over there is where the other side is. So he'll get this now, so he'll go down this, and by the looks of it, he has got one single row left on the other side of the chopper. That's handy, so we'll have to go back down just to get one row. And then we'll go over there to the other side. Good, good.